Hey everyone, so let's finally get started on our December mini mixed media project. I am very sorry for the delay in getting this tutorial up. It has been crazy busy this month, busier than I had anticipated, and so that really slowed me down on getting these tutorials put up for y'all. But this one's a pretty easy one. We're basically going to use our stencil to paste on some of the brown rust effect paste. I love this rust effect paste. We've been using this for the last few months and I absolutely love it. And if you end up getting some of it on your chalkboard, what you'll want to do as soon as you get done stenciling, you'll want to get like a wet washcloth and go ahead and clean it off, because as it dries it's extremely hard to get off. So now we're going to add some of our acrylic paint. This is the Aberdeen color. It's a heavy body acrylic paint, which means it's very thick. And so a little bit goes a long way with this paint. So I'm basically going to cover pretty much everything with the paint. Now the bottom and the back I'm not really going to paint, but everything else, basically the most important parts that you will see, I'm going to cover that up with paint. Just really trying to transform this a project where you don't see hardly any of the wood underneath. So now we're going to start adding our chipboard pieces, our flowers, and our little pearls and the little crystal pieces, the melange pebbles is what they're called. Really pretty. I love those pebbles that Finnabair has made. They really just help bring your project to life. So I'm going to be adding all of that to our chalkboard. You can pretty much write any message that you want to. This is a functional project. You can write, 2 days left till Christmas, pay bills, something encouraging for yourself. I am beautiful, I am confident, whatever you need to write. So I hope that you have enjoyed this project, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas.